Hey guys, welcome back to Shade Review. In this video, we are going to be reviewing the folding Persol PO3132 sunglasses. So first off, we're going to put these on face. These sunglasses have 51mm lenses, and they also have a 20mm bridge. And like I mentioned, these are a folding pair of sunglasses, so I'm going to demonstrate that right here. The temples are going to fold in just like this. They're actually going to fold down and then they can close in just like this. And then the center bridge is also going to fold in, and the sunglasses are going to become much smaller than they were originally. These sunglasses come with a specialized Persol case, so you can easily just put these in a small case and place it straight in your pocket. These sunglasses are definitely similar to a pair of folding Ray-Ban Clubmaster, so I'm just going to pop these on for 1 second so you guys can tell the difference of what these sunglasses look like. Now what's different about these Ray-Ban Clubmasters is they're actually going to fold in like this rather than folding down. And then the middle bridge, just like the Persol sunglasses, are going to fold in just like this. So here are the Persol sunglasses and here are the Ray-Ban Clubmaster sunglasses. I think these both look really cool. I have to say I like the Persol sunglasses better than the Ray-Ban. The lens quality, of course, is definitely better, and all the build quality is definitely much better on a pair of Persol sunglasses than they are on a Ray-Ban sunglasses. That being said, of course, Persol and Ray-Ban are owned by the exact same company, which is called Luxottica, but Persol sunglasses are made in a separate facility in Italy, and they basically are owned by the same company but are built in completely different plants. And Persol sunglasses are always going to be made in Italy, where some of the new Ray-Ban Clubmasters are actually made in China. Getting up close with these sunglasses, we can see the traditional Persol arrows here in the outside corners of the glasses. Now moving down, we can see these beautiful gold metal accents here on the bridge and here on the underside of the sunglasses. Moving down the temple of sunglasses, we can see the Melflecto stem system, which is going to actually bend out just like this to give a custom fit to anybody's face. Now moving further, we can see the hinge here, which is going to allow these sunglasses to bend down just like this. And moving over to the inner right temple of the sunglasses, silver Persol logo here in the inner right temple of the sunglasses. These sunglasses have extremely premium all metal hinges, which feel absolutely amazing when opening them up and when closing them. Much more premium than a pair of Ray-Ban sunglasses. Persol always has the best hinge quality probably out there on the market, and these definitely don't disappoint. These sunglasses do have completely adjustable nose rests like all Clubmaster style sunglasses do, and those are going to again help give these sunglasses a custom fit to the face. Through the clear plastic nose rest, we can see Persol etched in the gold metal on there, and again that's going to be there for authentication purposes and of course styling. These sunglasses are going to be made in Italy. They're going to sit here in the inner right temple of the sunglasses. They're going to say Persol, handmade in Italy. And if they're polarized, they're going to say polarized, and this particular pair is definitely polarized. Now these sunglasses are going to say Persol here etched in the top right corner of the sunglasses, and if they are polarized like this pair, they're going to say P after the Persol logo. I think it's an absolutely gorgeous pair of sunglasses, which look really, really great on face, and they really look much more classy than the original Ray-Ban Clubmasters. Of course, that being said, I still own 3 different pairs of Ray-Ban Clubmasters because they are absolutely classics, but I think these Persol sunglasses are far superior to a pair of Ray-Ban Clubmasters. Unfortunately, these sunglasses are going to run you around $350 in stores and on Persol's website. However, if you guys pick these up on Amazon, you can get them for around $200, and that's about the same price you'd pay for a folding pair of Ray-Ban Clubmasters. So if you guys are interested in current pricing and availability, I'm going to have a link in the description down below where you guys can check these sunglasses out on Amazon. Let me know what you guys think about these sunglasses in the comment section down below. Like I said, I think these sunglasses look absolutely fantastic, and they are one of my favorite Clubmaster style pair of sunglasses, but I am definitely interested to see what you guys have to say about these sunglasses. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below, and of course make sure to hit the subscribe button, then be notified every single time I upload a brand new video to this YouTube channel. Again, this has been Shade Review, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.